As experts in the field of education, reading instruction, and also learning disabilities, we take a unique approach to teaching reading to students with dyslexia that distinguishes us from traditional methods. We begin with a structured reading program that covers everything from phonemic awareness to advanced phonics, but we don't stop there. We actually target the foundational cognitive deficits that created the reading problem to begin with. Think of skills like the ability to focus, the ability to think fast, the ability to process sounds, the ability to keep those sounds in order, and then finally, the ability to remember those sounds. Those are all brain skills, and we strengthen those underlying muscles so that we can increase the student's ability to read. We begin with a high concentration of this brain-based instruction, and then as time passes, we start shifting our emphasis to bring in more of the reading instruction. But the brain-based instruction, those things that harness the strength in the brain, continues to be driven into the fabric of every single lesson. So consider a student with like a real frail attention span and maybe not such great memory. They would be expected to have difficulty remembering the sounds that are being taught to them, right? Especially when you start combining a lot of variety of different letter combinations. Well, we can also agree that a student with a strong attention span and an unshaken memory would have better retention of those sounds and therefore a heightened learning curve. That's what we're looking forward to. And as such, our goal is to strengthen all of the underlying brain skills involved in reading so that each student can have their optimal results. We believe that our unique approach is the key to unlocking your child's full potential. And we say that with over 2 decades of experience.